Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that could change the way you cook. We recently discovered the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, model 9600LS BT-200DZ, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop is a sleek and modern countertop burner designed to provide a quick and efficient cooking experience. This induction hotplate operates using a standard 110/120 V 15 amp electrical outlet, which is common in all North American homes. It's lightweight and compact, making it super easy to handle and store, whether you're cooking in your kitchen or bringing it along to a tailgate or camping trip. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its versatility. You can choose from 20 preset power levels ranging from 100 to 1800 watts, as well as 20 preset temperature levels from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control allows you to perfectly tailor your cooking to the dish you're preparing, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a steak. Plus, with an impressive energy efficiency rating of 83%, this induction burner is significantly more efficient than traditional gas or electric stoves. This not only saves energy but can also help you lower your cooking costs over time. The design of the Duxtop cooktop features a digital LCD sensor touch control panel, which adds a modern touch and makes it user-friendly. There's a child safety lock to ensure that cooking and timer settings remain unchanged once set, which is a great feature for families with young children. It also includes a fast boil button for those moments when you need to get water boiling in a hurry, and a keep warm button that maintains temperatures at around 140 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 30 minutes. Additionally, the cooktop comes with a timer function that can be set for up to 10 hours, giving you ample flexibility in your cooking routine. However, it's crucial to note that induction cooktops rely on the use of compatible cookware. You'll want to make sure your pots and pans have a magnetic bottom with a minimum diameter of 5 inches for optimal performance. The auto-pan detection feature is also a smart safety measure, automatically shutting off the cooktop if no cookware or incorrect cookware is detected after 60 seconds. Now, who is the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who loves cooking but may not have the space for a full-sized stove. It's also an excellent choice for those who enjoy outdoor cooking or need a portable option for events like camping or tailgating. Additionally, if you're someone who frequently hosts gatherings or parties, this cooktop can serve as an extra burner for your kitchen, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without taking up too much space. In practical use cases, this cooktop excels in a variety of cooking scenarios. You can quickly whip up breakfast items like pancakes or eggs, prepare a stir-fry for dinner, or even simmer a soup or sauce. The fast boil feature is particularly handy for pasta nights, while the keep warm function is great when you have guests and need to maintain the temperature of a dish without overcooking it. Overall, the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, model 9600LS BT-200DZ, offers an impressive combination of performance, efficiency, and convenience. It's a versatile tool that can enhance your cooking experience